Bounce on the right foot.
Film the chesticles. And we're on. I've only just noticed. Cost of farce.
Coast for pest. Spastic. There's one bit where it does it 3 times in a row, because it does it randomly and then it does 3 times in a row.
Ooh, random cable.
This is pulling the train.
Never.
Yeah?
Couldn't have guessed that.
Yeah.
Not doing that again.
Yeah.
Think it's widescreen open or shut? Think he'll rip it off?
It might do.
Hey! Whoa! Oh, shitty shit. Oh, it's only fury. Might have to bleep the video. Bleep!
It is at the back. I've never been at the front before, so I don't know.
There you go, you're front.
Yeah.
It just sounds so old, doesn't it? I don't know why.
Everybody in Britain, oh yes. Goes to first. Just another watermark there, yeah.
Extra bonus points.
Absolutely.
I told you.
Brilliant. Go for me. Screen again now and get it. Watch it myself.
I'll ride it later or something. Hello, camera. It's on my photo.
Oh, hey! Oh, come back. Hey, squeal! No, Zeus has got some awesome squeak on it.
That used to use the kept here. The ghost used to come out of it. I remember being really scared of it at 3. Oh!
Oh, what's that?
Just a bit.
What's a dodgy house we're looking at? Oh, that one over there?
Yeah. The ghost used to peek out the window.
Ooh.
I used to be shit scared of it. It's the mine train bit.
Oh. Trick track.
Let's do it again!
Got a little sad just sat here with cameras.
Not much.
Tidying my hair up now.
Tidy.
Chat out. Done.